Hi guys, in this video I will let you know how you can install your second Facebook account or second Facebook Messenger in your S10 5G. So guys, in this video I will start, you need to go into the setting section, and then in the search bar, this is a setting section. In the search bar you need to write advanced features. You need to search advanced features, and whenever you will enter into the advanced features, then you will see there would be an option which is called dual messenger. As you can see, this is the third one from the last, so I just need to click on dual messenger, and now you can see like these are the applications for which I can install my second version of these applications. Like I already installed two WhatsApp in my phone, so right now if I am interested to use two Facebook accounts or two messengers or Skype or Kakao Talk, so I just need to turn it on from here. As you can see, I would just turn it on and then it will allow me to install. So whenever I will install, as I have two messengers, two WhatsApp right now, you can see this is the first WhatsApp in the second row, and this is the second WhatsApp. So whenever it will allow you to install second messenger, so he will ask you to log in into your second messenger, so you can log in into Facebook Messenger from any another Facebook ID. So this is the simplest way you can install. No need to install any other application. Like there are few applications or third-party applications which allow you to install dual messenger or dual WhatsApp. This is the simplest way. So I hope you would like this video, and if you found this video helpful, so kindly like it, comment it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.